Greetings and blessings. Much love to you all. Warmly welcoming you to the Navis Kitchen. Today I'm presenting a juicing drink which you can have warm as a tea as well as chilled with some ice. First ingredient on the list is some ginger root peeled and washed. We also have some turmeric root cleaned perfectly and some black peppercorns to activate the anti-inflammatory properties of the turmeric. We also have some lime, which will do the same thing and bring us loads of flavor. So first thing I do is I cut up the ginger into thin slabs or discs so that when I blend it, it can blend smoothly in order to extract all of its juices. The next thing you want to do is juice all of your lime. I love the drink that doubles up either as a warm or hot tea in the winter time when it's cold and you're needing something to warm you up. And then also can be served during the summertime when it's hot and you need a refreshing chilled drink. So this can be served over some ice and it's just perfect either way. So now what we're doing is I have left just half of one lime and I'm going to cut it up into small pieces and add it to our blending mixture because I want the zest and also slight bit of bitterness. And also I'm going to add the black peppercorns as well as my turmeric root. And I have the actual root of turmeric, but you may use the powder without a problem. I left the exact amount you can substitute with if you're using the powder. And if you're using the root as I am, I recommend that you wear gloves because the pigment in there can really stain your fingertips and then the nails as well as the cuticles. All right, so cut them up into it and then add water. This is drinking water. Blend till all the ingredients there are crushed enough for straining. Now today I'm choosing to sweeten my drink with some honey, but you may use any other sweetener of choice, or you can just have it without a sweetener. All right, stir your sweetener in and just imagine how potent this drink is. This drink is a potent anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial drink. And you all know in the system of things that we're living in right now, we could all use this. So please give it a shot. The first shot you take, friends, you'll know this drink is powerful. Yes, and if you have inflammatory processes in your body, friends, especially bodily aches and pains, you will start to get relief very, very soon after you have this drink. I hope you've learned a thing or two and are inspired to try the drink. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anava's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.